Hey everyone, Rajshekhar here, and today we are getting our hands on the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. This phone has been generating a lot of buzz for being a powerful and affordable smartphone option in Samsung's flagship S21 lineup. So let's dive right in and see what it's all about. Alright, first things first, the unboxing. The S21 FE comes in a sleek, minimalistic box. It's clear Samsung is focusing on sustainability here. Inside, we have got the phone itself, a USB-C cable, a SIM ejector tool, and some quick start guides. This box is so slim, that means there is no charger in the box. The first thing that strikes me about S21 FE is its design. It's incredibly sleek and light in weight. Thanks to the matte plastic back, I opted for the olive color variant, but there are multiple other color options available too. Setting up the S21 FE is a breeze, but if you miss any option, it leads to advertisements on your mobile. So be careful. In case you are unsure about setting up your Samsung mobile without ads, I have previously created a tutorial video to guide you through the process. Check the link in the description box. Coming to initial impressions, the 120Hz AMOLED display is absolutely stunning. Scrolling and navigation feel incredibly smooth. The triple lens camera system looks promising and I can't wait to test it out in different lighting conditions. Also, there are some pre-installed apps out there that you can uninstall and force stop it if in case you don't want. So far, everything is running smoothly and I'm confident this phone can handle even the most demanding tasks. The 4500 mAh battery seems like it will offer a great battery life. Plus, this phone supports fast, wired and wireless charging, which is always a plus. This is just a first look at the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. In the coming days, I will be putting this phone through its paces with a full in-depth review. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out anything. Alright guys, that's it for today's unboxing and initial impressions of the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE. Let me know what questions you have about the phone down below in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them in the full review.